Hey guys, welcome to Glam Queen DIY, and today's video is just a little bit different. Today we're doing a YESOUL sponsored unboxing and review. Now you guys, I am reviewing their G1M Plus bike. Now you guys, this bike retails for $4.99. They also carry treadmill, rowing machines, or recumbent bike as well. There is also a $100 discount code for all of you subscribers if you would like to jump on this bike. Now you guys, do make sure you click YESOUL's information down in my description box. Now I'm going to tell you guys, this bike was still very easy to put together, and you're going to see that here as I'm assembling the bike, you guys. But let me tell you some of the perks about this bike. Now you guys, this bike is better than the Peloton. Listen, once you purchase the bike, they'll give you a link where you can link so you can watch your videos and exercise in remote locations on your screen as well. This bike is truly affordable. Not only is it affordable, right now you can catch that Black Friday sale, you guys. So make sure you do check out YESOUL. Look at everything they do have to offer. Now you guys, we know we're coming up on the end of the year, and right now is the perfect time to take your health and wellness very seriously. This is the time to get your body in shape, get your mind in shape. And I'm going to tell you, this bike will help you do the latter. You can get your body in shape, which also sharpens you mentally. Now, this bike, like I say, you guys, y'all know my medical history if you've been following me for a while. I do have issues, a lot of issues with my right leg, and I want to tell you, the resistance of riding this bike, I'm telling you guys, it has been strengthening my leg tremendously, you guys. So if any of you have issues like your girl do at times, I'm telling you, you need to hop on one of these bikes and introduce some exercise into your everyday routine. And as you can see here, you guys, like I say, this bike was so easy to assemble and put together. Now, if you purchase you one of these bikes, like I say, right now you can use my discount, but also right now is Black Friday sale time, you guys. Now with this bike, you can get some great cardio in. It does strength training as well, you guys. And you know, in my world, I come from corporate America, and they say our slogan is work smart and not hard. Listen here, this bike helps you work smarter with getting your body intact. So it keeps you motivated. Now you guys, you can also buy one of their fitness plans. All of that is on their site. Now this G1M bike does have that 21.5 HD screen, and it does give you a 360 degree rotator. It has sounds. Like I said, you can sign up for their sessions. Now I did tell you also, make sure you do check out their treadmills, their rowing machines, and their full body exercise bike. Check them out on Instagram as well, you guys. They do offer free shipping and no tax for local delivery in the US. You heard me right, local delivery in the US. Now you guys, this bike has been rated the #1 bike to have. So I'm telling you guys, this bike, to me, I do own a Peloton, and I'm going to tell you, I do still like this bike better. So make sure, you guys, you do check out this bike. And here you're going to see for a little while my use of the bike, and I'm telling you, it does help your girl. You know, I'm still winded, and I will say, since I've been riding a bike, and I do ride it every single day, my oxygen levels are coming back, you guys. And I do know when you hear me in my videos, you hear that I stay semi-winded. So make sure you check out this beautiful bike. You cannot go wrong when you're putting your health above everything. Now, also, I want to thank YESOUL for reaching out to me to sponsor this G1 bike. Once again, everyone, click that link down in the description box. Check out my discount code, and I'm letting you see on the screen, you guys. It checks your heart rate, your mileage, checks you how fast you're pedaling and all of that. And this is when you don't link it with the app, you guys. It also lets you charge your phone, and it does have a water bottle holder as well. And as you can see here, I'm showing you a couple different ways we're trying to get it in to let you see this bike is made for everybody. And I'm going to tell you, TT enjoyed it as well. The adjustment of the seats, you can rotate that seat till you get the perfect fit, and you can easily adjust your seat. Thanks YESOUL for sponsoring this video. You guys check that link down in that description. Also, don't forget this Black Friday sale and also my discount code. Thank you guys so much. Now see you in another video.
Say